delivering Victorians a grim reality check.
I've just been informed that a third individual has sadly passed away as a result of coronavirus.
These three tragic deaths are now a genuine illustration of what coronavirus does.
All three victims were men aged in their 70s. The state's tally grew again today, up to 520, ranging from preschoolers to those in their late 80s. 14 people are in hospital, 3 patients are in intensive care, and 149 have recovered. Stonington Council area has recorded the most cases, followed by the Mornington Peninsula and Melbourne. The deaths have added to pressure for a more substantial lockdown. The Chief Health Officer, Brett Sutton, has made his view clear.
I don't want us to be at a point where we're making decisions about additional measures when it's already escaped us.
This morning, those on the front line, doctors, nurses, police and paramedics, were allowed to access the shop before the general public. Their message loud and clear.
We would love to see everybody safe, stay home and look after themselves.
Yeah, a bit up and down. I think everyone's a bit anxious about how things are going to go, but we're all working together and getting prepared, and so we'll just do the best we can.
Everyone's sort of, planning for the worst, but just hope that doesn't come.
Concerns about adequate protection for first responders linger, with hundreds of police in isolation over contagion fears.
Our police officers haven't had access to masks or haven't had access to wipes. That's been frustrating, and that raises natural anxiety.
Police Command say they are getting supplies out. So far, police have made 88 checks on those meant to be self-isolating, but not all are obeying the rules.
If we get someone that is absolutely flouting it, absolutely we'll be processing the paperwork.
Police will also patrol beaches this weekend as the weather heats up. The Chief Commissioner also has a message for people lying about having coronavirus.
It's not a crime to be a dickhead, but it's a time for common sense. So how about people apply their common sense in that situation?
There are no state politicians in the parliamentary dining rooms, but the kitchens will pump out 2,000 meals a day to feed the homeless. And in some local councils, playgrounds are being barricaded to stop people gathering, while public transport is set to move to a reduced timetable as patronage plummets. Those are just a few small measures, but many larger ones lie ahead. There is a growing mood in the community for stronger restrictions from the government. Premier Daniel Andrews has flagged these. Now it's just a matter of when they happen. Richard Willingham, ABC News, Melbourne.